Hi, my name is Fanindra from the Sun Technologies. Now I am going to discuss .NET. .NET is a product of Microsoft technology. With the help of .NET, it's possible to work with the different types of applications like console applications and WinForms as well as web forms. With the help of console applications, you can work with the DOS-based environment. It's possible to work with the simple applications. With the help of WinForms, you can work with window-based applications. Like you can work with the client-server applications. With the help of web forms, that is nothing but ASP.NET. You can work with the web applications. And particularly while working with the web applications, the ASP.NET page structure has different stages. The first part is nothing but its directives. The purpose of directives is to view the status of the page. That means there you can work with the different types of directives like page directives. With the help of this page directives, you can view the status of the page like what is the debugging status, what is the tracing status, and what the language are going to be used in your web page. So such type of attributes you can specify with the help of a page directive. And the next one is an import directive to use any namespaces. Here in case of .NET, this namespace is nothing but simple packages like in Java. And still to understand this namespaces are nothing but just like header files in C language. To use any namespaces, you can use an import directive. And the next one, next phase in the ASP.NET page is code definition block. This code definition block can be defined with the help of a script tag. That means the entire the business logic has to be defined with the help of a code definition block. And next one is ASP.NET controls. So this ASP.NET controls block has to be created automatically whenever dragging the controls onto the web form. So this section has to be defined with the help of the form element. And the next one is a code render block. With the help of this code render block, you can display the runtime values. And the next one is the server side includes. By using this server side includes, you can display the common information for all the web pages like headers and then footers. Such type of things can be specified with the help of server side includes. Like this, the ASP.NET page structure has different stages. So in the entire .NET, the main advantage is working with the database. So by using the concept of ADO.NET. In previous versions also, like Microsoft technologies, like in case of Visual Basic also, there you are working with databases by using different concepts. So particularly while working with the databases, there are different things again, standalone database as well as the client server database. The difference between these two is in case of standalone database, the data cannot be distributed. Whereas in case of client server database, the data can be distributed. So before .NET, you can work with the standalone database as well as the client server database. To work with the standalone database, there you can use the concept of DO, data access objects. And to work with the client server database, you can use the different concepts like remote data objects as well as ADO, ActiveX data objects. So the difference between RDO and then ADO is both for client server databases, but the difference is in case of RDO, based on the number of attributes of the table, the manipulation statement has to be increased or decreased. Whereas in case of ADO, by using only one statement, you can perform the manipulations. So that is the situation before the .NET you are working with the client server database. And come to what are the advantage in case of .NET in this sense. Here also you work with the client server database, but this ADO.NET is a connection oriented as well as a connectionless. That means first time only, once you can do the request, first time only the client machine can be interacted with the server. Once the request is placed, automatically between the client and then server, some adapters has to be created. So next time onwards, what happened? The request can be interacted with the adapters, not with the servers. Because of this, what happened? The server is always free to accept any number of times requests, so that the performance is high. So like this, based on the number of requests. Suppose I want to work with the department table, let us say. So once you can do the request, what happened? Based on the department table, one adapter is created. Next step, what are the manipulation you are doing, like insert or select or update as well as a delete. The request can be tracked with the adapter, not with the server. Whereas in case of previous versions, for each and every request, so it can be tracked with the server. So the server is always busy. Whenever the clients are increased, what happened? So that's automatically the performance becomes down. So whereas in case of Edivo.net, the first time only the request can be tracked with the server because of this one adapter is created, and the next